Hello friends, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make your taskbar transparent in your Windows 11 PC. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So what you want to do, go ahead and open up your Microsoft Store. You can either find it pinned on your pin apps here. If not, you can just simply type in Microsoft and you will find the Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that. Once you're inside the Microsoft Store, go ahead and search for this application here by the name of Translucent TV, and you want to go ahead and install it. Now, once you finish install the application, guys, you'll be able to go ahead and open up that application here. And once it is open, go ahead and click continue. Now you'll realize that by default, once you install it, your taskbar is now transparent. So you will only see your icons and there's no taskbar. But you can go ahead and you can change this up to customize it more if you want. Just click the arrow on the lower right hand side and you will find the TB application. You can go ahead and open that. And if you'd like to get back your taskbar, you can simply hover over desktop and you will find options here. So as you can see, it is set to clear, but you can switch between various and you will be able to choose various option here as you so desire. So there's few different options that you can choose from, right? And you can also go ahead and open the application. You can also go ahead and click show border again. So as you can see, if you want to make it show border, you can also do it as well so that it shows on your desktop. So even though it's transparent, you can show the border, right? So that it's at least visible. In terms of colors, you can always go ahead and change colors as you wish. As you can see, I have it there and I can go ahead and I can change various color if I so desire. So as you can see here, I can use it to change whatever color I want to my taskbar. If I so desire, you can choose here, or you can come here and you can choose between various colors. If you so desire, you can also play around with those RGB colors and so forth. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.